what does your content creation process look like? How do you come up with ideas, and then how do you prepare for them, and how do you execute them? Do you keep certain days of a week where you're going to create content? Do you batch them out? Give us a sort of like an insight into your creative process.
Yeah, so I think I touched on this a little bit earlier, but usually I get ideas randomly, completely randomly. Like you'd just be sitting there and just some idea would pop up. You'd just be watching something, an idea would pop up. A lot of my past videos, it came when I was sitting on the bus or on the train and I'm watching people do stuff. People watching is the best thing for content creators because you can learn so much and you can get so many creative ideas just by people watching. I think that's where I got a lot of my videos, and then I get the idea and then I work on it in my head for like a week, and I'll like jot my notes down, and I'll write down like, well, what do I want to say? What are the most important parts about this stuff that I want to talk about? And then just try to make it, funny. But you want to make it authentic as well. So when I go in on Sundays, I dedicate to YouTube. So when I go on Sundays and start recording, I'll just start, just talking. And then when I edit, I'll take out the stuff that I don't like, and I'll add some stuff and whatever, and then edit and post.